looking at your BMW wondering how the heck am I gonna figure out what's wrong with it? Now, normal general scan tools will just give you a generic code that doesn't 100% translate to BMW specifics as far as what the code is. Other general scan tools will just read current faults. They won't dive deep enough into the BMW system. Now, there are multiple systems within the BMW that a very generic scan tool won't pick up. So Protool by Bimmergeeks looks at all those different systems. And also outside of a really great diagnostic tool, which is set up just like IMPA, and you can calibrate injectors, and it can do a lot of great things as far as the coding piece does. So you got your diagnostic and then you got your coding. Two separate things as far as two separate licenses that you have on there. You have the $49.99 for the coding license, and then the $74.99 for the diagnostic license. Then you throw on the Bluetooth adapter, that's about $45. You have a little money invested, but it does an amazing job. So I've been using Protool ever since it came out, just because I wanted something that was, able to read everything. I didn't have an actual coding device on my Android tablet. Now I just use an Android tablet for MHD, backend Flash, and of course Protool, and a few other things. You can get a very inexpensive Android tablet like what I have here. It's just a cheap Digiland, brand new, about 47 bucks, and it's been great. I've had it for about 3 years now. Works like a charm for just this. So in this video, guys, you have the opportunity to win a Bimmergeeks Protool license and Bluetooth adapter, what I just named off. So that's a pretty nice deal. This is only on Instagram only, so I'm gonna put the link down in my description box below. I'll take you right to the Bimmergeeks Instagram page. You'll see their most recent post, which will look like this. It's actually my tablet. When I first got Protool, I took the picture to show you guys how to operate it, more so like the DIY on the many different systems and stuff like that. Check out that overview here at the top of how to use Protool. But back to the actual contest giveaway. You're gonna go to that new post from Bimmergeeks that you'll see out there. You're going to follow them. You're going to share that recent post, that recent picture, and then you are going to comment done out there at the bottom. Very simple. They're gonna use a generator to go ahead and pick the winner for this contest. So it's all gonna be chosen by them, through that random generator. And then you guys wanna have Protool and the license and the adapter and all that. It's gonna be sweet, and it's a nice giveaway that they're doing for you guys. So definitely check it out. Like I mentioned, everything's in the description box below for you guys. So definitely check out my video on how to go through Protool, how to use it, all the many different functions and features that it has. Let me know if you have any questions, of course. So best of luck to you if you're entering the contest. Big thumbs up on this giveaway. I always like to hear this stuff. I like to pass on the stuff to you guys, so that way you have like that first in to do it, of course. And check out my other DIYs on the channel. Thanks, guys. I hope you have a great day. Take care.